there are two ways to go through your day, joy or misery, your choice. If the day is the day in front of you, if there's no way to get out of something, the next best thing is to get way into it, right? And that's the point I make at work a lot. Like, wholeheartedness sometimes can be the antidote to fatigue. It's like the resisting or the playing defense or the being mad about what I have to do.
You said focus on saying no to everything, like stepping back because it might be too much. Yeah.
So I've said that at work for a long time. And you know, like many of us, when we're suddenly kind of homebound, we start to reconnect with some people that are really important to us. And one of the people that has just been so impactful in my life is Carson. She introduced me to Byron Katie. She just really opened up and was part of me learning to live pretty well in the mess. And I also was talking to her a lot out of ego. I'm like, I'm in healthcare, like I could go back and redeploy and be a social worker and be helping people, like, you know, test for COVID and all those long lines. And I was thinking about how I could go back and help, but I couldn't get back. So it looks like you're gonna be there a while. And you really can set the intentions to go through this time as a prisoner or a monk. And it really hit me big. And we went on to talk about, because she knows my heart for so many years. She's like, Sai, if I said to you, take a sabbatical, be good to yourself, take a sabbatical, go to an ashram in India like you've always wanted to do, just tune out, just check out.
Lock off.
Read what you want to read, meditate, no work, just do what you want to do. I'd be like, I can't, I've got kids, I've got work, I've got gigs, like how will we make ends meet and how will the money happen and you know, how will, like I have all these people dependent upon me. And it just dawned on me, and she goes, the universe has put you in a big timeout. Like you're in an ashram, maybe not of your own making, you're on sabbatical. Yeah. You can go through this as a prisoner or as a monk. And for some reason, those really stuck with me, because the prisoner was a lot of resisting my captor, or figuring out how to trick my captor, or figuring out like what's the bare minimum I can do, you know, while isolated. And for me, it could really have easily have been like, you know, overindulging, you know, as far as eating or drinking or, and instead I decided to go the monk route, and I took it really seriously.